Detection mode in Magnifier gives users who are blind or low vision multiple tools for navigating new environments. With iPhone or iPad with LiDAR and detection mode, you can get rich descriptions of your surroundings. There's door detection to help you navigate to a door and even get instructions for how to open it. People detection to help you know when people are nearby. And image descriptions to help you learn about scenes and objects around you. Here's how it works. We'll show you how to set up detection mode in Magnifier and how to use it. To set up detection mode, open Magnifier, then tap the Settings button. Tap Settings, then tap Insert Detection Mode to add it. To change how your iPhone lets you know when it detects something nearby, scroll down and tap People Detection, Door Detection, or Image Descriptions. Then tap to turn the following options on or off. Sounds to hear a sound play, speech to hear the distance announced, or haptics to feel haptic feedback. To hear sounds or speech, make sure your iPhone is in ring mode. If you're a voiceover user, you can enable detection mode by opening Magnifier, then triple tapping the screen with 4 fingers. To use detection mode, open Magnifier, then tap the Detection Mode button. Now you can customize detection mode depending on your situation by tapping People Detection, Door Detection, or Image Descriptions to turn them on. Or you can combine them by turning them all on at once. For this example, we'll turn on Door Detection. Now you can hear how far away from a door you are.
Door 11 feet away.
Have any signs or labels on it read aloud.
Text. Wild floor.
And even get instructions for how to open it. You can combine this with people detection and image descriptions to hear even more details, like if a person is standing in front of the door and what the scene around you looks like.
Person 10 feet away. Door 11 feet away.
And that's how to use detection mode in Magnifier. Detection mode should not be relied on in circumstances where you may be harmed or injured or in high risk or emergency situations.